This was my mom and my sister.
We're at the bachelor pad, Derek's, you know.
Who's Derek, Logan?
That's my father.
What up, bro? Dash, come here.
Look, he's looking back.
Hi, Dash. You want me to throw it? Chewy, are you here too, baby? Aww.
Show me something.
Jesus. July 1st, when do you leave to Maryland? What's up, Ben? Just me and Esme. Can't get in the pool. It's July 1st, and Esme is officially 2 weeks. Jesus.
Look at him. He said he's trying to get
Are
black.
you chilling?
He's trying to turn black, baby.